Atlantis. The name itself evokes a sense of wonder and mystery. It conjures images of a grand civilization advanced beyond its time, now lost to the depths of the ocean. The story of Atlantis has been passed down through generations, each retelling adding layers of intrigue and speculation. But what do we really know about this fabled city, a lost city, swallowed by the sea? According to legend, Atlantis was a powerful and technologically advanced kingdom that met a cataclysmic end. The entire island was said to have sunk into the ocean in a single day and night of misfortune. This dramatic tale has sparked the imagination of explorers, historians, and dreamers alike. A cautionary tale of hubris and the impermanence of civilization. The story of Atlantis serves as a reminder of the fragility of human achievements. It warns of the dangers of overreaching ambition and the potential consequences of defying the natural order. But is there more to this story than just a moral lesson? For millennia, this legendary island kingdom has captivated our imaginations, fueling countless stories, expeditions, and debates. From ancient texts to modern documentaries, the allure of Atlantis has never waned. Scholars have pored over historical records, searching for clues that might reveal the true location of this enigmatic city. Is Atlantis merely a myth? A product of Plato's philosophical musings? Plato, the ancient Greek philosopher, first introduced the story of Atlantis in his dialogues Timaeus and Critias. He described it as a powerful and technologically advanced civilization that existed around 9,000 years before his time. But was Plato recounting a historical event, or was he using Atlantis as a metaphor for his philosophical ideas? Or could there be a kernel of truth buried beneath layers of exaggeration and speculation? Some researchers believe that Atlantis could have been based on real events, possibly inspired by ancient civilizations that experienced natural disasters. Others argue that it is purely a work of fiction, a story crafted to convey deeper philosophical messages. Join us as we journey through time and across continents. We'll explore the various theories that have been proposed over the centuries, from the idea that Atlantis was located in the Mediterranean, to more far-fetched notions placing it in the Caribbean or even Antarctica. Each theory offers a unique perspective on this enduring mystery. We'll explore the origins of the Atlantis myth, delve into the scientific evidence, and examine the enduring fascination with this enigmatic lost world. Through interviews with experts, analysis of ancient texts, and underwater explorations, we'll piece together the puzzle of Atlantis. What can modern science tell us about the possibility of such a civilization existing? Our journey begins not in the depths of the ocean, but in the realm of ideas. With the writings of an ancient Greek philosopher, Plato's words have transcended time, sparking a quest that continues to this day. Whether Atlantis was a real place or a figment of imagination, its story remains one of the most captivating legends in human history. Our story begins in Athens, circa 360 BC. This was a time when the city was a beacon of knowledge, culture, and philosophy. The air was filled with the thoughts of great minds, and the streets echoed with the footsteps of scholars and citizens alike. The philosopher Plato, in his dialogues Timaeus and Critias, introduces us to Atlantis. These works were not just philosophical musings, but a blend of history, myth, and moral lessons. Plato's words painted vivid pictures of a world that was both fascinating and cautionary. He describes a powerful island nation, advanced in technology and culture. Atlantis was depicted as a utopia, a place where innovation and prosperity were the norms. The Atlanteans were masters of engineering, creating marvels that seemed almost magical to the ancient Greeks. Atlantis, according to Plato, existed 9,000 years before his time. This timeline places Atlantis in a prehistoric era, a time shrouded in mystery and legend. The idea of such an ancient civilization captivated the imaginations of many. It was a mighty empire. Its influence stretched far and wide, and its power was unmatched. The Atlanteans were not just builders but conquerors, their ambitions knowing no bounds. Its ambition, however, led to its downfall. The very traits that made Atlantis great also sowed the seeds of its destruction. Hubris and overreach became their undoing. The Atlanteans, corrupted by their power, attempted to conquer Athens. This act of aggression was a turning point, a clash between two great civilizations. The Athenians, known for their valor and wisdom, stood firm against the invaders. They were defeated by the virtuous Athenians. The victory was not just a military triumph but a moral one. It was a testament to the strength of character and the resilience of the human spirit. The gods, angered by the Atlanteans' hubris, punished them, A cataclysmic event, earthquakes, floods, the very elements turned against Atlantis, and nature itself became an instrument of divine retribution. Atlantis vanished beneath the waves. The once great empire was swallowed by the sea, leaving behind only legends and ruins. The story of Atlantis became a symbol of the impermanence of human achievements. Plato's tale serves as a warning. It is a reminder that even the greatest of civilizations can fall if they lose sight of their values and succumb to arrogance. A reminder of the fleeting nature of power. The story of Atlantis is not just about a lost city, but about the dangers of unchecked ambition and the importance of humility, a cautionary tale against unchecked ambition. It is a timeless lesson that resonates through the ages, urging us to reflect on our own actions and the legacy we leave behind. Plato's writings sparked centuries of speculation about Atlantis' true location. Some believe it to be a fictional allegory, others, a real place, lost to time and disaster. Theories abound. Some place Atlantis in the Atlantic Ocean, beyond the Pillars of Hercules, the Strait of Gibraltar. Others point to the Mediterranean Sea. Some even speculate about Antarctica or the Americas. Evidence is scant. Geological records offer no conclusive proof. Archaeological discoveries remain elusive. The search for Atlantis continues to be a tantalizing puzzle. The mystery of Atlantis has spurred numerous expeditions. Explorers armed with sonar, submersibles, and a thirst for discovery have scoured the ocean floor. Some have claimed to find evidence. Ruins off the coast of Bimini. Unusual rock formations in the Atlantic. These findings, however, remain controversial. Despite technological advances, the ocean depths remain largely unexplored. The search for Atlantis is a reminder of the vastness and mystery of our planet. Section 5. Atlantis in popular culture, a timeless source of inspiration. The legend of Atlantis has transcended the boundaries of history and science. It has seeped into our collective consciousness, inspiring countless works of art, literature, and film. From Jules Verne's 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea to the Disney animated film Atlantis: The Lost Empire, the lost city has captivated generations. It serves as a blank canvas, a backdrop for stories of adventure, romance, and the clash of civilizations. Atlantis, in popular culture, reflects our own anxieties and aspirations, our fascination with lost worlds, and the possibility of advanced ancient civilizations. Section 6. The enduring allure of Atlantis. Why we keep searching. Why does the story of Atlantis continue to fascinate us? Perhaps it's the allure of the unknown, the possibility that a technologically advanced civilization could vanish without a trace. Or maybe it's the human need to believe in something greater than ourselves, a lost golden age, a reminder of our own mortality and the fragility of civilization. Whatever the reason, Atlantis continues to capture our imaginations. It reminds us that there are still mysteries to be solved, secrets hidden beneath the waves. Section 7. The importance of critical thinking, separating fact from fiction. While the legend of Atlantis is captivating, it's important to approach it with a healthy dose of skepticism. Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. As we explore the mysteries of the past, we must rely on scientific methods, archaeology, geology, history. We must be wary of pseudoscience and sensationalized claims. The search for Atlantis reminds us of the importance of critical thinking, of separating fact from fiction, of approaching the unknown with curiosity and a discerning mind. Section 8. Atlantis, as a metaphor, lessons lost and found. Whether or not Atlantis existed as a physical place, it serves as a powerful metaphor, a reminder of the cyclical nature of history, the rise and fall of civilizations. The story of Atlantis warns us of the dangers of hubris, the importance of balance, the need to live in harmony with nature and each other. Even if Atlantis is just a myth, its lessons are timeless. It reminds us to learn from the past, to build a better future. Section 9. Conclusion. The mystery endures. As we reach the end of our journey, we find ourselves still captivated by the enigma of Atlantis. This ancient tale, shrouded in mystery and intrigue, continues to fascinate and inspire generations. The mystery of Atlantis endures. From the meticulous work of archaeologists poring over ancient maps to the daring dives of explorers seeking underwater ruins, the quest for Atlantis is a testament to human curiosity and perseverance. It's a story that has been told and retold for millennia. Ancient scrolls and historical reenactments bring the legend to life, while storytellers around campfires pass down the tale, generation after generation. A tale that continues to spark our imaginations and fuel our sense of wonder. Children read about it in books, adventurers plot courses on maps, and the dramatic waves of the ocean remind us of the vast unknown. While the search for definitive proof continues, the efforts of underwater archaeologists and scientists analyzing data keep the hope alive. Sonar scans of the seabed reveal tantalizing clues, yet the ultimate discovery remains elusive. The true value of Atlantis may lie in its ability to inspire. Inspirational quotes over ocean scenes and the sight of people gazing at the horizon remind us of the endless possibilities that lie ahead. The sunlight filtering through underwater shots symbolizes the hope and wonder that Atlantis represents. To remind us of the power of storytelling, the importance of exploration, storytellers captivate their audiences, explorers brave dense jungles, and researchers in labs push the boundaries of knowledge, all driven by the allure of Atlantis. The enduring mystery of the past, ancient ruins and mysterious landscapes beckon us to uncover their secrets, while archaeological digs slowly piece together the puzzle of our history. Atlantis, whether real or imagined, continues to captivate our minds. Animated globes highlight its speculated locations, aerial views of islands spark our curiosity, and artistic renderings bring the legend to life. It will forever hold a place in our collective consciousness. Diverse groups of people discuss its mysteries, museum-goers marvel at artifacts, and thoughtful faces reflect on the possibilities. A symbol of lost worlds, ruins covered in vines, images of mythical places and underwater caves all serve as reminders of the worlds that may have existed before us. A reminder that there are still secrets waiting to be discovered. Explorers look out from ships, divers swim into the unknown, and distant islands on the horizon beckon us to continue the search. The mystery of Atlantis endures, urging us to keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep dreaming.